This is the Bose SoundLink color Bluetooth speaker which was originally released in 2014. Let's see how it fares now in 2021. I am gonna give an overview, tell its specifications, price and do a detailed sound test with 7 tracks so that you can have a clear idea of how this speaker sounds like. So don't miss that and stick till the end of this video. Now let's start with the overview. At the top we have a power button, Bluetooth mode, aux mode, play or pause button and finally minus and plus volume buttons. By the way, the speaker feels robust when holding in hand and also feels premium due to the silicone rubber padding in the either sides. At the front we have the Bose logo, below that we have the speaker grill which is entirely made of hard plastic. So it isn't flimsy as like other Bluetooth speakers out there. It houses a tweeter at the front bottom and has a woofer at the front top. Behind, at the bottom part, we have a micro USB charging port and an aux port for wire type connection. At the top, we have a bass radiator for bass response. And in the center, again we have the Bose logo. The Bluetooth version is Bluetooth 2.1 as this was released in the year 2014, but still I haven't faced any connection issues. The speaker output is 20 watts, so it can fill an entire room easily. The speaker was priced at $150, which roughly converts to about Rs 11,500. Now let's see how the sound quality of this speaker is by playing 7 different tracks. So put a good pair of headphones or earphones and here we go.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one, no, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love.
Empty hearts and neon lights.